Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Little, and I'm going to read the story Can You See the Wind by Allan Fowler. Someone once said that wind was air in a hurry. On a very cold day, you might think it's in too much of a hurry. Icy wind can seem to blow right through you and make you feel even colder. Other winds are more welcome. You need wind to fly a kite or fill the sails of a boat to push it along the water. Doesn't a cool breeze feel good on a hot summer day? Sometimes people even make their own wind by waving a paper fan or turning on an electric fan. How are nature's winds turned on? Why does air move from one place to another? If every place on Earth were the same temperature at the same time, there would be no winds. But some places are warm while others are cold. Boys and girls, look at the picture on page 10. The picture shows how wind is made. When air is warm, it rises. As it rises above land or water, cooler air rushes in to take its place. That rush of air is wind. Light winds are called breezes. Strong winds are called gales. Tornadoes have the strongest winds and do great damage. Tornadoes are also known as twisters because they blow in a circle. Hurricanes also produce strong winds. A hurricane is a tropical storm that forms over a warm ocean. Can you see the wind? You can certainly see some of the things it does. Pollen is a powder that must be carried from one place to another to help new plants grow. Wind carries the pollen of grasses and most trees. Wind blows desert sands into hills called dunes. Over a very long time, wind can even change the shape of rocks. Bit by tiny bit, it wears the rocks away. Before people knew how to use steam, gas, or electricity for power, they used the wind. They crossed oceans in great ships driven by wind. People built windmills with big sails that turned in the wind. The windmills ground corn for bread or pumped water off flooded lands. Many farms still use windmills today. Winds high in the sky often blow much harder than those at ground level. A jet plane goes slower if it has to fly against the wind, with the wind pushing it from behind. However, a plane might reach the airport ahead of time. Scientists send up weather balloons to learn how the wind is blowing. Can you see the wind? Just look up at the clouds. How fast is the wind moving them along? Where is the wind coming from? North, south, east, or west? Closer to the ground, look for a flag flapping or a tree swaying in the breeze. Yes, in a way, you can see the wind. The end. Boys and girls, I hope you have enjoyed the story Can You See the Wind by Allan Fowler.